Okay. Good day everyone. This is Engineer Armando Umanito, and our problem for today is we are going to solve three equations with four unknowns. So let's begin. So find the values of x, y, z, and k using these three equations. So, medyo mahirap-hirap ito kasi three equations and then four unknowns. So syempre, usually, dapat yan, kung three equations, three lang ang unknowns. So, itry natin isolve ito kung kaya natin. So, dito, sa mga gantong klase ng problem, dapat isipin mo muna na kung ano yung dapat mo munang i-eliminate para ma-minimize o kumonte yung mga unknowns. So, start tayo. So, from equation 1, ito yon 4x plus 6y plus 2kc is equal to 6. So, i-factor out natin yung 2 kasi common factor yung 2. So, factor out natin yung 2. 2 multiplied by 2x plus 3y plus kc minus 3. So, ngayon, na-eliminate na natin yung 2, magiging 2x plus 3y plus kc is equal to 3. Sorry, dito minus nasabi ko, so equal to 3. So, let's call this equation 1. Now, from equation 2, we have 8x plus 8y minus 8c is equal to 8. So, i-factor out natin yung 8. Magiging 8 quantity x plus y minus c is equal to 1. Or, the new equation will be x plus y minus c is equal to 1. So, let's call this as equation 2a. And then, from equation 3, we have 3x plus 3ky plus 9c is equal to 6. So, i-factor out natin yung 3. Common factor kasi yung 3. So, we have 3 quantity x plus ky plus 3c is equal to 2. So, ito na lang bali ang matitira. X plus ky plus 3c is equal to 2. So, let's call this equation 3a. Now, ang susunod nating gagawin ay itry natin i-multiply yung equation 2a by k. So, saan yung equation 2a? Ito yung equation 2a. X plus y minus c is equal to 1. So, i-multiply natin siya ng k. We will get kx plus ky minus kc is equal to k. So, let's call this as equation 2b. So, i-add natin yung equation 1a at equation 2b. So, equation 1a, ito yun. Equation 2b, ito yon. So, kung mapapansin nyo kasi, pareho silang may kc, isang positive, isang negative. So, medyo ito yung mas okay na i-eliminate kasi opposite side lang sila. So, i-add natin siya. So, 2x plus kx. So, ginawa natin, pinagsama na natin yung 2 and k, 2 plus k, and then quantity x. So, ito rin, 3 plus k, quantity 3 plus k, and then y. And then, eliminated na yung kc is equal to, so 3 plus k. So, let's call this equation 4. And then, susunod, multiply natin yung equation 2a. Equation 2a, ito yon. So, ito yung equation 2a by 3, multiply by 3. So, equation 2a ito, multiply natin by 3. So, magiging 3x plus 3y minus 3c is equal to 3. So, let's call this equation 2c. Okay. So, i-add natin yung equation 3a and equation 2c. Pero, by the way, itong equation 2c na ito, kung mapapansin nyo, originally, ito ay equation 2a. And what is equation 2a? Ito yun, no? So, originally, pinactor siya sa 8. Or pinaka-original niya, equation 2. Kung mapapansin nyo yung equation 2, ito yun. Originally, nakamultiply siya sa 8. Tapos ngayon, ang gagawin natin, itong equation na yan ay na-factor out na nga siya sa 8. Pero i-multiply naman natin ngayon, or i-multiply naman natin ngayon sa 3. Ito siya. Ito na yung equation na yon. So, parang kung isipin natin, from naka-multiply siya sa 8 kanina, ngayon i-multiply natin sa 3. So, parang yung gumawa ng problem na ito, inililigaw tayo or pinapahirapan talaga yung magsosolve. So, ituloy natin. So, i-add natin yung 3A and 2C. So, pag in-add natin, ito yung 3A, ito yung 2C. Pag in-add natin siya, we will get x plus 3x is 4x, and then ky plus 3y, pinagsama na natin yung k and 3, so 3 plus k or k plus 3, quantity y, and then pag in-add natin to, itong 3c, parehong positive, isang positive, isang negative, 0 siya, so 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So, let's call this equation 5. Okay. And then, from 4, so, yung equation 4, ito yon. Ito yung equation 4 natin. Itatranspose lang natin. So, may iwan yung 3 plus k, quantity 3 plus ky. So, kinopya muna natin siya. Tapos, ito yon, iniwan natin siya. So, itong 2 plus k quantity, x, tinranspose natin. And then, minultiply na rin natin agad siya. So, we have 3 plus k quantity y is equal to 3 plus k minus 2x minus kx, equation 4a ito. So, tawagin natin equation 4a. So, from 5 naman, so ito yung 5 natin, equation 5, ito siya. So, pareho silang 3 plus ky. Kung napansin nyo, meron sila parehong 3 plus ky, 3 plus ky. So, ang ginawa natin, iniwan din natin yung 3 plus ky, tapos, i-transpose natin yung 4x. So, 3 plus, quantity 3 plus k, is equal to 5 minus 4x. So, equate natin yung 4a and 5a. So, 4a and 5a equate natin. So, ito yung 4a, 3 plus k minus 2x minus kx is equal to, ito naman yung 5a, 5 minus 4x. So, i-manipulate natin, meron tayong negative 2x dito, pero ito magiging positive 4x. So, 4x minus 2x minus kx plus k plus 3 minus 5 is equal to 0. So, isimplify natin yan. Yung 4x minus 2x magiging 2x na lang siya. So, dito na tayo ngayon. So, 2x na lang siya. 2x minus kx plus k minus 2 is equal to 0 pag sinimplify na siya. So, ngayon, dito, pwede natin pagsamahin yung 2x minus 2 and then minus, syempre, so kx, ito maging negative k. So, kx minus k is equal to 0. So, dito, common factor yung 2, may makuha tayong x minus 1. Dito, common factor yung k, may makuha rin tayong x minus 1. So, common factor na yung quantity x minus 1. So, x minus 1 times 2 minus k is equal to 0. So, x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1. 2 minus k is equal to 0. So, k is equal to 2. So, dito, isang equation lang, nakasolve tayo ng dalawang unknowns. So, tuloy natin. So, from 2a, ito yung 2a, x plus y minus c is equal to 1. So, meron tayong value ng x. Okay? So, x lang ang pwede nating i-substitute. So, 1 plus y minus c is equal to 1. So, i-transpose natin, y minus c ang matitira. So, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 or y is equal to c. So, this will be equation 6. So, again, from 3a uli, ito yung 3a, x plus ky plus 3c is equal to 2. So, ano na yung mga meron tayong value, x at saka k. Pero yung y is equal to c. So, ngayon, ipalit natin yung mga may values tayo. X is equal to 1. So, 1, tapos yung k is equal to 2. So, plus 2y plus 3c is equal to 2. So, we have 2y plus 3c is equal to 2 minus 1 pag sinimplify. And then, we have 2y plus 3c is equal to 1. So, gawin natin itong equation 7. So, but itong equation 6, y is equal to c. So, itong equation na to, ilagay natin dito sa equation 7. So, substitute nga natin. So, meron tayong 2y plus 3c is equal to 1. Yan yung equation 7. So, palitan lang natin itong c ng y. So, 2y plus 3y is equal to 1. 5y is equal to 1. So, y is equal to c, sabi niya nga doon sa equation 6, is equal to 1/5. So, ito na yung mga final answer natin. So, nasolve natin yung 4 unknowns with only 3 equations. So, that's all for today. So, sana po ay may natutunan po kayo sa ating lesson ngayong araw. This is Engineer Armando Omanito. And until next time po uli, and may God bless us all po.